fact, during the hurricane, they still had both of these fire blocks still burning. So if you guys have not been to Universal Island of Adventure yet, right next to us is Hogwarts Castle, and then we are in Jurassic Park right now. We are not going on the water ride, Tristan. It's around 75 degrees out. This is perfect weather to go to a theme park, in my opinion. Like, there are some days where it is extremely hot, and me personally, I do not like going to theme parks on really hot days, which sometimes is very hard just because I live in Orlando, and I do have annual passes to every park in Central Florida. This is the Dino Discovery Center. If you guys ever see videos of like dinosaurs getting hatched, this is where the videos are. And there is a abandoned old Triceratops show. And if you guys have been to Universal, you guys know what I'm talking about. There is a meet and greet with a dinosaur, which that is where the old extinct ride is. Which, if you look back here, right past that is where it is. And comment down below what your guys' favorite dinosaur is. Mine personally is a raptor. The OG raptors, I like to call them, from the original Jurassic Park. Those are my favorite. Which usually on a day like this, the raptor encounter will be around 30 to 45 minutes. But if you go right in the beginning of the morning, they do always have an meet and greet going on with the raptor. There are certain times throughout the day when they will be closed, but usually if you come throughout the day, like right now I believe it's like 2 o'clock, they'll be doing that through 5, and they'll take a break and they'll do it through 9. But right now we are looking at the walls of the new attraction. And this is actually the back side of the attraction. It'll loop all the way around Jurassic Park and part of Marvel World, which it'll be a fairly big attraction. It'll probably, me personally, I love roller coasters, so I feel like this ride is going to be a very good ride in my opinion, which they're actually just now refurbishing the water ride. And if any of you guys were worried about the water ride leaving, it is not leaving. They're just refurbishing it to the Jurassic World, not Jurassic Park anymore. So you'll be seeing all new dinosaurs, and I believe there are going to have animatronic characters, which is going to be very cool. And possibly Camp Jurassic might be leaving us. Me personally, as a child, I always loved going in there just because it gave you a great view of all the construction, all the rides that are coming to Universal. But we do not have a deadline date on Camp Jurassic just yet, and it is not official. There have just been slight rumors coming around about them moving it to the other park because they're making so many expansions at this park. And we are coming up on Kong Skull Island. This ride is amazing, but this ride does have very, very long wait times. Just because it is still a fairly new ride. It's only been open for like a year and a half.
You guys want something to eat real quick?
and there are live scare actors in this ride. If you guys ever go to Horror Nights, Halloween Horror Nights, which I have a few videos up, I'll put it in the eye up on the right, you will know what I'm talking about. During the queue line in this ride, there are 2 scare actors that will come up and scare you. So if you guys do not like that, I will not suggest this ride for you. But the ride itself is a great expansion to Jurassic Park. How much? What do you want to get, Tristan? What wait time? What wait time? It is 80 minutes, right on the dot. What'd you get, Tristan?
50.
I was like thinking 10 milestone. But this ride is one of the newer rides to Universal, which this is one of my favorite rides at Universal just because of the scare actors in the ride. You can't because you're not tall enough. Oh, you have to be smaller. Yeah. We are now coming up on Dudley. We are now coming up on Dudley Do Ride Ripsaw Falls, which is the wettest ride at Universal. And this ride has one of the biggest drops.